I use gold because gold was my first ever GHD tool.
With the GHD Gold and the use of the dual zone technology, it allows me to get incredible smooth and shine.
I always look for sleeker, smoother, healthier looking hair, and when that is my main aim, I always pick up my gold.
GHD Gold is amazing when working on a client because it allows me to create an incredible finish right in front of their eyes and to show that they can achieve that look at home. I would recommend a GHD Gold to my clients because it's one tool that can create numerous looks. They could go straight one day, curly the other day, or super lazy on another day.
If they're looking for something a little bit more creative, a little bit more sort of out of the box, they'll go for gold. I love it if we're going in with a little bit of a quirky shape. TV shows, strangely, and I have no reason why, we always go with the gold because it just gives us that absolutely perfect finish.
With the GHD Gold, the styles are pretty endless. I can create movement, I can create a sleeker look, a smoother finish. I can also create bends and kinks in the hair in places where I want it.
I absolutely love the gold.